My name is Prince Ubebe, and today we're working on networking. So presently, I started with this because this just shows an insight on the use of Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see, this is in hybrid topology. But first, before we get into that, let's talk on networking. So now, in general, what is networking? So networking is a practice of connecting computers and other devices to share network files, printers, and to access the internet. Networking. So that practice of connecting different computers, like you can see here, different computers are being connected together. They are sharing network, they're sharing resources, they're sharing files, and sharing printers and a lot of things. All these computers in Nigeria are connected to this particular printer. If I want to print anything here, I just have to send my packet from this particular place to this particular place and it prints. You can see, let me send a packet from here to here. You can see here successful. We can run the simulation to actually see what we're doing properly. So let's check it again. You can see the packet goes from here and goes up. Then from there, back and back. Let's give it a minute. Alright, so you can see here successfully. So that is just the basics of networking. So networking in plain terms is actually the practice of connecting computers and other devices together, like the files, printers, just basically to share resources. So the basic component of a network, what does a network entail? The first thing our network entails is our computers as the host machine. A particular machine or any device connected to the network, be it computer, be it laptop, be it servers, printers, just any device actually connected to the internet. That what we call our host machine. The next one we have is our routers. Now these are routers. Our routers connect different networks together. With my router, I can route traffic between network A and network B. So presently, what I'm doing now is just a quick run through on every single thing. Soon I'll dive deeply and start from scratch on what networking is really all about. So like I said before, we talk about our hosts. The host can be our computers, printers, laptop, just any devices that is connected to the internet. Then we have our routers. Our routers would route network between network A and network B, two different networks together. They can't use themselves unless they're connected together with a router. Then we have our switch. Switch connects devices. These are switch here. Switch connect devices within a network. Now all these PC are connected together now to the what? To the switch. Without this switch, there is no way to connect all these PCs together. I can only connect PC A and PC B together. Just two PCs. With my switch, or with the use of my switch, I'm able to connect all these PCs, the laptop, all the computers together on the same network. So that is what the switch is for. So now this particular um, application I'm using is called Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's go into it. So this is how Cisco Packet Tracer is once you open it. So this is a network simulation tool developed by Cisco, as you can see here. So it allows students and professionals to design, simulate, and troubleshoot virtual network without needing physical hardware. Now you can see the network topology actually connected. If, for example, a client tells me I should bring in or he wants to connect 10 systems together to, or like how many systems are here? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, let's say he wants to connect about 16 or 20 systems together to a switch and to a server, and laptops and wireless and all that. So the first thing I will do, I won't just go into the company. What I'll do is I'll come here and actually do my connection. So everything I do here, if it works perfectly, it means it's going to work perfectly. It will work. So this Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation tool developed by Cisco that actually help us to simulate our designs.